The new boy on the block.
Yeah. I think this was a lady, definitely.
She's pretty.
Yeah.
This is the new Maestria.
We can't decide if it's Maestria, or Maestria. Anyway, it's the new one from Nespresso.
So we're going to take this out of the box and show you what the big deal is.
Okay.
Let's get my knife going here, just because I can.
I know. See, you guys, that's what it's like working for Gail. She walks around with a switchblade.
You got it.
Okay, so what do we got
You
up
said
here?
what?
Totally.
So this is the typical collateral that comes with these machines. Your start guide and all that kind of stuff. And then this will show you all about how to register. Here's your sample pack that they give you.
Okay. The first round for you to try.
First round's on them, so you can decide what you like and what you do not like.
All right.
It has a steam arm.
Yes.
That's it. That's what makes it different.
So it's the same sort of capsule brewing.
Yes.
But you can steam milk.
Yes.
All right.
The capsule goes right in there. Okay, so what they want you to do is flush the machine out when you first get it.
All right.
This machine comes with this strip tray like this, and also you can put in this alternative one if you want a shorter cup. So you put it in like that, swings down and goes down onto this, and now you can put a shorter cup, or you can put a taller cup, and if you want to empty it.
I like that.
I like it. So let's turn it on. We're going to flush through 3 of the largest. These are milliliters. They want you to do it 3 times to flush it out. Here, Ken, I'll put that over there. There you go.
Gail.
I'll have to get more water at some point.
All right. So we're all primed up and ready to rock.
Yep. We primed that 3 times on the largest milliliter, which is 5 ounces.
Okay.
So, Kat pointed out to me, she was looking in the manual, that the numbers on this side don't equal the same amount of ounces or milliliters as the ones on this side. So if you have 5 over here, that's 2 ounces, and 5 over here is 5 ounces.
So this is the espresso and lungo.
Lungo, right.
Okay.
So this is, if you had it down on one, that's 0.8 ounces.
Or 25 milliliters.
1.25 milliliters.
1.25, no, 25 milliliters. See, it's 1,
oh,
2,
the number.
3.
I see. Yeah. Okay, makes sense. And then 70 milliliters over here with 2.35 ounces. Okay. So the manual.
You mean, okay, yeah. So it kind of goes through each of those.
Yep.
And then, so you can stick on the dial, or you can go in between if you want to just.
Oh, yeah, it's infinite. Well, there are little notches on each one of those. You can feel it, soft touch.
Cool.
It's kind of nice, though.
So before we get started doing a demo, can you tell me how, like, the Nespressos are different?
Capsules instead of ground coffee in a just loose portion.
Okay.
You're actually going to choose a capsule. Mm-hmm. There's different intensities, different blends. You have lots of choices. This is just a sample pack of the choices.
Okay.
And each one of these has a different color because each one is a different blend, intensity, and made for making a different drink.
Got it.
There's some that are made for longos. Like I know this. Get out of there. I know that this one is for a longo because that's one of my, I think it's that one. It's either that one or this one. It's one of my favorites. It's very smooth.
Okay.
And then I know that this one is much more intense.
Got it.
But they are, you'll find that they have some for espresso, and they rate them intensity-wise. Mm-hmm. And then there's some for decaf, and then lungo.
Okay.
And in your book that you get, it talks about some of the different ones that they have.
Cool.
And they have a seasonal one, too, that they come out with. And that's around the holidays, huh?
Yeah. Well, no, I think they just do it every quarter or so. They'll have a different, like special or something.
Gotcha.
And they do flavored ones as well, which we did get samples of, and they had a little bit of vanilla, a little bit of hazelnut. They weren't great,
I didn't care for those myself, but that's not. I don't like the flavored ones in general.
Yeah.
They come in a sleeve like this. There's 10 in a sleeve. Mm-hmm. You call up, or you can order online once you register, and it's a flat rate shipping, $6.95. It used to be. I'm not sure what it is now, but no matter how many sleeves you ordered, second day delivery, excellent service, I thought.
Got it.
I've never heard anybody complain about the service.
Cool.
And then if your machine breaks down as well during the warranty period, they send you a loaner machine. You take the loaner out. It'll be the same machine as you have. You put this in the box, prepaid, back to them. They fix it, send it back to you. You put the loaner back in the box, prepaid, back to them. So you're not without.
That's awesome.
That is awesome. So we tried this ahead of time, but first you turn this up to on. Okay. And it typically will blink. We already had it on. And when it's ready to go, it's heating up the heating element.
I see.
Now it's all ready. You take it over
to the actual steam element.
Yeah, we tried it in a cup just to get it going. It seemed like it was fairly powerful.
It steamed the heck out of the air in that cup, huh, Gail?
It sure did. Yeah, oh yeah. That's hot. That's hot. So it made some bigger bubbles, which that may have been operator error. Part of it. Never, I know. See, squirt it out just like it would any other. Put your capsule up in here.
You chose the ristretto, the darkest of the lot.
And I'm going to make just a little bit over.
Oh, great.
Not bad. I want to try the foam at some point and see it, play with it.
Mess with the wand a little bit.
Mess with that wand, because I have a feeling you could do some better foaming than I just did. I tried.
I know.
I think we could get a little.
It was a thought that counted, right, Gail?
Yep. I think we could get a little less big bubbles. This is a good sized cup for me. Not too much milk. Tight. I like it. Yeah. And then, not bad, huh?
No.
So when you go like this, that spent capsule goes down into the box here, where the repository, as we call it.
And then you just knock that out every so often.
Exactly.
So obviously, a big benefit to this guy.
This is metal.
Is cleanliness, right?
Oh yeah.
No muss, no fuss at all.
Well, let's say you were in a tight area where you had a really small kitchen, like like some of the kitchens in the city, or else on a boat or an RV or something like that. These are more compact.
Yeah.
Everything about it.
More compact, and then more less waste. Like you could have your capsules, they're going to stay fresh, quote unquote, because they're sealed up and all that kind of stuff, Yeah.
Plus, you can recycle these if you want. These are aluminum, and we have that.
Just got to clean it out.
We have that puncher thing that punches the coffee out, and then you give it a little rinse, and away she goes into the recycle.
All right, so that is the new Maestria, Maestria, whatever.
Whatever you want to call it.
By Nespresso. We have it in this red version. We also have a really pretty cream color as well.
Just those two colors?
I believe so.
Is that right?
Yeah.
I'm liking it.
All right. Well, thank you very much, Gail, for your assistance this morning.
No problem. It's just another day in the coffee world.